Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to check and adjust the balance and fade of your radio speakers. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, if you're having problems with your radio speakers, for example, only the left side, the driver's side speakers are working, or if you're only getting sound from the front speakers or only from the rear speakers, first you want to check these settings, because if something is changed here, this might do it. So here on the radio screen, you want to press this settings button at the bottom. And then you want to select this sound, right? So here you can adjust bass, mid-range and treble, but to set the balance and fade, you want to press this button, set balance and fade. Now, if this is in the middle, that means all of the speakers will work equally. But if you change this, so let's say, for example, I pull this, I have to do it this way actually. I pull this all the way to the left. Now this means only the left-sided speakers will be working. And then if I do, for example, this all the way down, this means only the left rear speaker will work. So that's why I said, if some of the speakers are not working on your vehicle, you want to check this, you know. And if I do, this is really slow going. If I pull this icon all the way to the top and let's say to the center, now only the front speakers are working. And if I pull it all the way down, only the rear speakers will be working. And this can also be quite handy in case you have some people driving in the back seat. They want to listen to the music, so you can set the speakers all the way down there, and then you can have a conversation at the front while driving, right? So this is a couple of options. But like I said, check this in case you're having problems with the speakers. If everything is good here, then you want to check the wiring and things like that. But this is the first thing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.